Igbo people ekenekwa m ọzọ. Have you across this kind of animal in the bush or in the forest? What do you call this animal in your local language? Igbos are calling it Ogwu because it always have chuku around his body. The tiger, leopard, and lions are afraid of this animal. This one is very big. It have stayed over a years in the bush or in the forest. Ndị Igbo ọbụla mana anụ a n'ihe a na-akpọ ya bụ Ogwu. If you look along his body, you can see that thing that be black and white. Is the chuku. If you try to touch it, it will choke you on your body. Ọnya bụ anụ a na-akpọ Ogwu. Ya bụ anụ na-eme gịnị? Na-enwe ogwu n'arụ. Is what God Almighty creates as an animal in the national being. Anụ ọbụla nwere ihe o ji were eme gịnị? Akpa ike n'ụdị nke ya. So thank you as you are watching. Try to share it so that others can across it and put their own opinion on the comment section. I am still remember Maazi-UC. Join me on my social media handle, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime you come across my video, you can able to watch it. Thank you all and remain safe.